Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I've been making for you guys southern style sweet potato pie, so please stick around and watch this video. Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Please stay tuned and watch this video. For the sweet potato pie, our ingredients are: we're gonna use 1/4 cups of melted butter, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. We're gonna use 2 eggs, room temperature. We're gonna use 1 cup of brown sugar. You can use regular granulated sugar, white sugar if you want. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of vanilla and 2/3 cups of evaporated milk and 3 sweet potatoes. I'm gonna use 3 of these, medium size, or you can use 2 large. Go ahead and preheat your oven on 350 degrees because we're gonna bake these potatoes. We don't want to boil them, because when you boil them, you lose the flavor. So we're gonna bake them. So we're gonna put them on a baking tray and we're just gonna bake them. First we're gonna bore some oil inside for the steam to come out. Just bore a couple holes inside. You can use a fork or whatever you want to bore the holes. So we'll bore some holes and we're just gonna add some vegetable oil. This part is optional, you don't have to put any oil, but I'm just putting some oil on them. And we're just gonna put this into the oven to bake for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. So we're just gonna pop these into the oven to bake for 45 minutes to 1 hour. You try it from out the oven, and when you insert a fork or you have no resistance like that, you see the fork go and insert into the potatoes without any resistance. So this is how you know that the potato is baked. Look, they're going straight through. So we're gonna cool this down, or you can go straight ahead and peel them off, but I'm gonna cool this down because I don't want it to burn me. So I'm just gonna wait for it to cool down a bit and then I take off the skin. Cool down a bit, so I'm just gonna take the skins off. You see how easy the skin come off, just like that. And I use a parchment paper because I got less cleanup to do. And I just take the paper like this and throw it in the garbage. Easy cleanup. Now you just want to go ahead and mash these out. You can use a fork, or you can use this. These potato smell is so good. You see, this is helping take out some of the strings, because you don't want the potatoes to have a lot of strings. You want to remove all the strings as possible. Now you're just gonna use your hand mixer. And this is also going to help take out some of those strings. And you want to get this smooth as possible. And see the strings? See the strings on the whisk? So you're just gonna wash this off underneath your pipe and take out these strings. We're gonna wash these off and blend again. We're back. See the strings again, you wash it. Now we're just gonna add the melted butter. Then we're just gonna scrape on our bowl, scrape on the sides. Gonna add the eggs. Gonna add 1 egg at a time until they're incorporated. Egg number 2. Gonna scrape it on our bowl. Then I'm gonna add the evaporated milk. Gonna add the brown sugar. Now I'm just gonna add my spices. I'm gonna add vanilla extract. I'm gonna add the nutmeg and the cinnamon. And you wanna mix this on medium. See, really smooth and nice. And now I'm just gonna pour this into my pie shell. It's gonna give you about 2 pie. So we're just gonna bake up our pie. I'm gonna put our pie into the oven. We're gonna put this in unto 350 degrees and bake for about 45 minutes. Until maybe until you see inside it's not jiggle like this. You see it's jiggly like this. So when you put it into the oven, when you tap it and it has no jiggle, that's when it's baked. Or you insert a knife or a fork or a toothpick and it come off clean. So I'm just gonna pop this into the oven. And there you have it, guys, straight out of the oven. This took at least 35 minutes to bake, smelling so yummy and nice with all the flavors of the vanilla, cinnamon and nutmeg and that beautiful sweet potato smell. So now I'm going to show you guys that it is baked. When you insert something, nothing comes on it, and if you use a knife or a fork and nothing comes on it, in the middle, in the center, and at the side, you know it's perfectly baked. And this is the finished product, guys. If you already reached this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and leave me a comment down below. Look at this beautiful sweet potato pie with this nice crust. Guys, please share my channel, and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna do a taste test. And this one that because I baked 2 of them, so I'm gonna do a taste test. And guys, look at this beautiful slice of pie, guys. Look at this. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment down below, guys, and share this with you. And I also can hold my pie up. It's not falling down. This is a firm pie. See, nice and firm. It's not falling off. So this is a very good pie. And now we're just gonna cut into it. Oh my god, look at this. Nice, guys. Nice, guys. So please like and share. This is so good. Not too sweet. You can taste the flavor of the cinnamon and the nutmeg, not too overpowering each other. And the soft texture, smooth texture of the sweet potato. Guys, this is awesome. This is amazing, guys. Bye, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.